Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute.
Hello guys, I'm back with a new tutorial on how to use Capcut template on TikTok. So first, open our TikTok application and you can see there on the upper portion of the username, the Capcut Editing Made Easy. You just need to click on it to use that template, and then click on Open Capcut. And there you go, you can see there are some templates in which you can use to edit your videos on TikTok. So let's choose this one, the photo transition. Let's try to use it. Just swipe to see more and then click on Use Template. After that one, you are going to choose photo on your gallery. And there, so it is ready now to be processed. And after that, if you are satisfied with the result, the effects, and the transition of your video, you just need to click export on the upper portion of the screen, and you can choose if there is a watermark or there's none. So I'll choose there's no watermark. So you just have to wait for it to finish, and then it's good to go. And finally, it's done and it's ready to upload on TikTok.
Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.